Recently, we had this Rheem ProTerra or Ruud Ultra 120 volt only heat pump water heater installed. What 120 volt only means is that your water is literally only heated up by a heat pump. There's no 240 volt backup heat strip or resistor for high demand situations. Those variants are commonly known as hybrid heat pump water heaters. At some point, there will be three of us taking showers each night, so we opted for the 80-gallon tank to make sure there's enough hot water each night for that demand. Because remember, with 120 volt only, there's no 240 volt backup, so once you're out of hot water, recovery time is about 3 hours. So with the 120 volt only, you need to make sure the tank is big enough to handle all your demand in one shot. The 80-gallon tank only comes in a shared circuit variation, which is perfect for us. What that means is that you can plug this into any wall outlet and it's totally fine. This heat pump can share power with other devices on that same outlet. This particular model does come with a mixing valve attached. Rheem and Rudd call it Hydro Boost. It's a nice touch to any water heater and helps to keep from wasting more hot water than needed. These water heaters also come with Wi-Fi and app access through the EcoNet app. This app has multiple functions, but I like that you can schedule times on when you want the water at a certain temperature. This saves you money from having the water heater endlessly using energy all day to keep the water at a specific temperature instead of just at certain times. So far, it's been a great water heater that meets our needs, and I'll probably do a review soon. Thanks for watching.